Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the division of fractions. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started with today's topic. So friends, first let's see that how can we divide a proper fraction by a proper fraction. So for that, let's take an example. So let's take 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 4. Okay. So friends, division is very simple. You just need to know the steps that you have to do. So first step is that you will copy your first fraction as it is. So 1 upon 3. You will copy this as it is, and then this division mark, this will be changed to the multiplication mark. So this division mark will be changed to multiplication mark, and now this second fraction, which is 2 upon 4, we will reciprocate it. Means to find out the reciprocal. And what is reciprocal? You can say reciprocal a multiplicative inverse also, because in that friends we interchange our numerator and denominator, and whenever we multiply them we will get the product as one whole. So if we have to interchange this 2 and 4, so that is very simple. That means this 4 will be in the numerator and then this 2 will be in the denominator. So this is how we can find the reciprocal of a fraction. Now simply just multiply, and as you all know how to do the multiplication of fractions, so let's multiply them. So 1 into 4 will be 4 and 3 into 2 will be 6, and then this will be divided by 2. So this divided by 2 and this will be also be divided by 2. So this will go 2 times and then this will go 3 times. So this is 2 upon 3. So this is how we can divide a proper fraction by a proper fraction. So friends, now let's see one more example of the division. Okay, so this is 6 upon 4 divided by 10 upon 8. So just follow the steps which I told you and you will be able to do the division. So let's see, this fraction we will write it down as it is 6 upon 4, and this division mark will then change into a multiplication mark, and we will reciprocate this fraction, the second fraction. So when we will reciprocate, 8 will be in the numerator and 10 will be in the denominator. Now let's simply multiply them. So here we can cancel them. So let's cancel. So this 6 and 10 will go. So this 6 will go 3 times and 10 will go 5 times by 2. 4 and 8, they will also go by 2. So this will go 2 times and this will go 4 times, and again this will go, this will become 1 and this will become 2. Now we cannot cancel our numbers, so now let's multiply them. So 3 into 2 is 6 and 1 into 5 is 5. So this is 6 upon 5, and this is how you can divide them. And this is another example of the division of fractions. So friends, now let's see that how can we divide a proper fraction by a whole number. So let's take an question related to that. So let's take 1 upon 3 divided by 5. So let's see, let's follow the steps which are there. So this fraction, which is the first fraction, that we will write down as it is. So 1 upon 3. This division mark will be changed to multiplication mark. Now friends, here we are having a whole number. So here there is no numerator or denominator in this whole number. So how will we find the reciprocal of this whole number? It is very easy. First you need to convert this 5 wholes into an fraction. So that will be 5 upon 1, and then just simply reciprocate 5 upon 1. So when you will interchange, it will become 1 upon 5. So that means here we will write 1 upon 5. Okay. Now the simple step is to do the multiplication. So let's see, 1 into 1 is 1 only, and 3 into 5 is 15. So this is 1 upon 15, and this is how you can also divide a proper fraction and a whole number. Now let's see that how can we divide a mixed fraction and a proper fraction. So let's take a mixed fraction and a proper fraction, and let's see that how can we divide them. So let's take 1 whole 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4. Okay. So friends, whenever you are dividing a mixed fraction, over here you can see we have a mixed fraction. So first we need to convert our mixed fraction to improper fraction. So let's see, 2 into 1 will be 2 and plus 1 will be 3. So here this will be 3 upon 2. And friends, here still you have to put the division mark. This will not change to a multiplication mark, because it is this fraction also here, which is 3 upon 4. Till you have not reciprocated this fraction, the second fraction, at that time this will be division mark only. Okay. And now if we will reciprocate this, then it will be 3 upon 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3. So now let's solve this. Look for some cancellation. Can we do cancellation here? Yes, of course. So let's see. This will go by 3 one times, this will go by 3 one times, this will go by 2 one times, and this will go by 2 times. Now let's do the multiplication. So 1 into 2 is 2 and 1 into 1 is 1, or simply you can say it as 2 wholes. So here also like this you can divide a mixed fraction and a proper fraction. So friends, this is all for today. Hope you like it, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to wear a mask and maintain social distancing. Bye bye.